Welcome to Jaginfo channel. In this video, we will discuss about Science School Entrance Exam Class 6 exam syllabus. Total 4 subjects: Mathematics, General Knowledge, Language and Intelligence. In the max, total 50 questions. Each question will be 3 marks. Total 150 marks. General Knowledge 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, total 50 marks. Language 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, total 50 marks. Intelligence 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, total 50 marks. So enter all the subjects, total 300 marks. Note, there is no negative mark. So let's start the general knowledge syllabus. Different types of scientific devices used in daily life. Different types of scientific devices used in daily life. Icons and symbols of India. National insignia, national emblem, sports, animal. Elementary awareness of such symbols. Major religions of India. Elementary awareness about founder, place of origin, religious books, and important ideas. Art and culture. Music, classical, and folk dance. Renowned personalities, instrumental and voice music, major dance forms. Art and culture, music, classical, and folk dance. Renowned personalities, instrumental and voice music, major dance forms. Next one. Defense. Equivalent ranks in 3 services: weapons, aircraft, missiles, and warships. Elementary awareness is sufficient. Sports and games, India and worldwide. We need to cover the questions. Renowned personalities, major competitions, and trophies associated with various games. Super senses. How do plants and animals sense their surroundings? Relationship between animals and human beings. Taste and digestion. Basic concepts is sufficient. Cooking and preserving techniques. Germination and seed dispersal. Traditional water harvesting techniques. Experiment with water on everyday life. Water pollution and microbial diseases. Concepts on mountain terrain and lifestyle. Historical monuments. Shape of earth and gravitation, basic concepts. Non-renewable energy sources, fossil fuels. Food, culture, habitat, languages, etc. of various regions. Basic concepts is sufficient. Names of young ones of different animals. Names of young ones of different animals. Functions of body parts of plants and animals. International organizations. Basic knowledge about structure, functioning, and objectives of United Nations, World Bank, etc. Indian literary and cultural personalities. Names and fields of achievements. Indian literary and cultural awards Names of the awards and recent recipients. Natural calamities, flood and earthquake. Evaporation, condensation and water cycle. Basic concepts is sufficient. Life of farmers. Farming techniques. Life of farmable communities and forest producers. Farming techniques. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, please check in the playlist and the remaining syllables will be available.